Hello children, welcome to your maths class. In the chapter of factors and multiples, we have already discussed how to find factors and how to find multiples. Today we will discuss about highest common factor and least common multiple and the relationship between the both. Now, highest common factor. Highest common factor written as HCF or referred as HCF. Another name for highest common factor is GCD, that is greatest common divisor, or GCF, that is greatest common factor. We can find HCF of any two or more numbers by long division method. Let's see how we can find that. Here are the steps of long division method. Step 1. Divide greater number by smaller number. Step 2. The remainder becomes divisor. The previous divisor becomes new dividend and we divide again. Step 3. Repeat step 2 again until you get the remainder as 0. Step 4. The last divisor you got is your HCF. Let's make it more clear with an example. Here we have to find the HCF of 42 and 56. Out of these two, 56 is the bigger number. So this is our dividend and 42 will become our divisor. Here 42, 56. We'll divide 56 by 42. 42 ones are 42. Subtracting both, we get the answer as 14. 6 minus 2, 4, 5 minus 4, 1. Now this will become our divisor and this divisor will become our dividend. 42 will go in. Now we divide 42 by 14. 14 threes are 42. Subtracting, we get 0. So that means we have reached the final stage. The last divisor is 14. First was 42 and the next one was 14. So last divisor is 14. So that means our HCF is 14. HCF of 42 and 56 is 14. Let's take another example. Here we have to find the HCF of 108 and 130. 130 is bigger, so this will become our dividend and this will become our divisor. Here 108 ones are 108. Subtracting both, we get 22. Now 22 will become our next divisor and 108 will go inside. Dividing 108 by 22, 4s are 88. Subtracting them, we get 20. Now again here we have not got 0, so we will continue. Now this will become our next dividend and this will become divisor. 20 ones are 20. Again we have not got 0, we have got 2 as remainder. So we'll go one more further step. 20 will go in now. This will become our dividend and the remainder will become our divisor. 2 tens are 20. Now we have got the remainder as 0. So the last divisor, that is 2, is our HCF. First was 108, then 22, then 20 and the last one is 2. The last divisor is our HCF. So HCF of 108 and 130 is 2. Coming to least common multiple, also referred as LCM. can find LCM of two or more numbers by short division method. We have already learned how to find the prime factors of a given numbers. So we will apply a similar kind of method to this also. Here, the basic rule is on the left hand side of the ladder, we take only prime numbers. Let's understand the steps of short division method. Step 1. Write all numbers horizontally. Step 2. Divide by common prime factor and write quotient below the respective numbers. Step 3. Continue step 2 until there are no common prime factors. Step 4. Multiply the common prime factors and the remaining factors to get the LCM. Let's make it more clear with an example. Here we have to find the LCM of 18 and 24. We'll keep them horizontally, 18 and 24. Both are even numbers, so they are divisible by 2. And 2 is a prime number. Remember the rule that we have to always take prime numbers on this side. So 2 9s are 18 and 2 12s are 24. Here. Now 9 and 12, both of them come in table of 3. So we will divide them by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. 3 and 4. Now these two numbers does not come in any of the common tables. So that means we need to stop here only, and we have found all the numbers required. To find the LCM, we will multiply these two and the last row which we have got here. That is 2 into 3 into 3 into 4. 2 into 3 into 3 into 4. When we multiply them, we get the answer as 72. So LCM of 18 and 24 is 72. Let's take one more example. This time we are taking three numbers, 30, 25 and 15. Placing them horizontally here. All the three numbers come together in table of 5. So we will divide all of them by 5. 5 6 are 30. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15. We have got 6, 5 and 3. Out of these three, two of the numbers come in table of 3, that is 6 and 3. So we take them, divide them with 3. Here, 3 2s are 6, 5 as it is not divisible by 3, so we copy down as it is, and 3 1s are 3. Now we have got the last row 2, 5 and 1. All of these does not come in any of the common tables, so that means we have reached the final step, and we will multiply these two and these three together to get our LCM. Here 5 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 1, right? Multiplying these, we get the answer as 150. That means we have reached our final stage of finding LCM, which is equal to 150. Coming to the relationship between HCF and LCM. We find HCF and LCM between any two numbers. So the relationship is the product of two numbers should be equal to HCF multiplied by LCM of the numbers. Let's take an example to understand the relationship. The two numbers given to us are 12 and 18. So if we have to find their HCF will be 6. And if we find their LCM is equal to 36. Applying these values in this formula, product of two numbers means 12 into 18, the two numbers which were given to us, is equal to HCF of the numbers into LCM of the numbers, 6 into 36. Multiplying both, in both the cases we have got the answer as 260. With this one basic formula, we can find the other formulae also. Here, out of all these three things, product of two numbers, HCF or LCM, if any two are given to us, we can find the third value applying the formula. Suppose we have to find the HCF, and we can do that the product of two numbers divided by LCM of the numbers. LCM will be equal to the product of two numbers divided by HCF. Let's take an example. Find the LCM of the numbers 12 and 16 if their HCF is 4. Now we have been given two numbers 12 and 16, and we have also been given their HCF. We have to find the LCM. Applying the formula, product of two numbers 12 into 16, it will give us 192. HCF already given 4. LCM we have to find. Applying the formula, product of two numbers divided by HCF. That means 192 divided by 4, which will give us 48. So that means LCM of the given numbers 12 and 16 is 48. Hope the concept is clear to you. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Do practice sums and you will master the concept. Thank you.